Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your V2 Virtual Boy tripod kit. Tools that you'll need is a screwdriver with a flat tip. If you happen to have a specialty toolkit, you can also use a U10 specialty bit, but I would strongly recommend a flathead screwdriver. So, to actually disassemble it, the only thing you'll need to take out are the black components. First thing you'll take out is going to be the wing bolt, right here. And you'll take your flathead screwdriver and you'll take out the 1/2 inch bolt that's in the back. Next, you're going to look for the markings on the bottom. You'll see that it'll correspond with the correct side. You have A side, then you'll have B and B side. We're going to work with A side first, and we're going to put the A side in with the A side bolt. Like so. Don't tighten it too much. These are plastic screws, just enough that it feels snug. Next, we're going to take the B side, we're going to take our wing nut, and then we are going to tighten it down. Tight, 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 all the way until it makes it to the bottom. And you'll know when it's on the bottom when it can kind of spin a little freely, like so. Next, we'll take the B side and we will hold it a little in place until it levels out with the bottom and screw all the way down until it flattens out like so. And to use it, it's as simple as flipping Virtual Boy upside down, unscrewing the bolt, and notice how it slides out, putting it in, and I recommend bolt side facing to the front of the unit, then tightening it down. Unit is snug enough that you can pretty much dangle this however you see fit. And all you'll need now is to take a tripod like this little dinky one and just screw it into the bottom of the unit. And now you can play Virtual Boy on any conventional tripod.